Oh, yesterday we look at how you can get free 10K for another account. From the research that I did, I dropped this information in my Telegram channel and I did a video on it. So if you have followed this channel for long, you know we have been doing in-depth research on how to get free for another account. And do your own research about the information before you start to claim them. So today, I have a new opportunity or new updates. Yesterday, or throughout the night, I've been doing a lot of research to get another opportunity for you guys, and I've got hand on one, and it is also limited offer. Okay, so you have to be very fast with this. That is why I said subscribe to my channel. That is the only way you can get notified very quickly to get hand on these updates before it gets expired or the number gets exhausted. And also, the main part is when you are in the Telegram channel, that is why I post everything first before even recording a video on it. So, just simple strategy right here. You can see a lot of buying opportunity on gold right here. But let's go to our main topic of the day. So, I'll go to my Telegram channel. The name is Forex Talent. So, first step is to join the Telegram channel or go straight into the Telegram channel. Either you want to join or you don't want to join. That one is up to you. You can just go and get the update link and claim your bonus without joining the channel, no problem. So this is what you have to do first. So first, when you go to YouTube or right now as you are watching this video, just go below the video. Okay, go below the video and you see my Telegram page. This is the link, my Telegram page. Those who are using mobile phone, just click on the description, the video description. You see it, my Telegram page, and then you click on that link. So when you click on that link, it will take you straight to my Telegram link. This is it. We have a lot of followers right here. So you just have to click view channel and then you join. So when you click view channel, it will open the Telegram channel for you like this. Okay. So when it open it like this, the current update is this. Okay. Sorry for this. So this is the current updates. Let me show you. This is the current update. Okay, this is the current update which you can get 10K account. So what you need to do is these are the steps you have to follow. So first is free 10K one step NYS market proof giveaway. So they are doing a giveaway and it's limited to a time or a number of people. So first, after you are here, go to their website. So this is the website link in the Telegram channel here. Click on it. So when you click on it, it will take you to their website for you to register and then go to their buy new challenge or buy challenge account and then select 10K account. Select CFD one step 10K account. This is very important. CFD one step 10K account. That is what you're supposed to select. And you apply this code. The code is this CREFQYMVRZ. Okay, that is it. When you apply to it, this is it, a sample of it that I've just did right here. And I upload a picture to right here. This is it. So I apply the code right here, and the account is $36, and I'm now getting it for zero cost. So you can also do it right now. If you are able to enter, let me know in the comment section. If you are not able to enter to, more updates are coming. So this is what I have for you guys today. Remember, I drop video onto the channel every single day. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, both the Telegram and the YouTube, so that you can get to know how to do or how to claim the account on YouTube and also get a direct link in the Telegram channel. See you guys in my next video tomorrow. Remember, I drop video every single day. And don't forget to share and also give a like. That is how YouTube can recommend or push my video more higher to a lot of audience. Goodbye.